Hello and welcome to another update video about Dogecoin. Just a quick update here. Not too much has happened since yesterday. I also don't think that we're going to see much more price action before tomorrow. As you know, tomorrow we've got the CPI data release. I may do a live stream. Make sure you check the channel for updates. Channel members will be made aware on Telegram and Discord anyway. Last time it was quite popular when I made a live stream while the numbers were released. We also saw quite a bit of volatility back in December. Now, looking now at this structure here, again, I can only confirm what I said before, that my primary expectation still is that we are heading for further lows here, and that would be within a wave 3. Yeah, I mean, there are various ways how the subwave structure could be countered here. I always try to not be caught up in the weeds because it gives people the impression everything's certain, because this is quite a bit of a messy structure. I mean, we certainly have the possibility that this was a wave 1 down, all of this is currently a wave 2 to the upside within 3, or even, yeah, and I might have to change it then, if we are here in an ending diagonal in wave 5, I might have to change all these subwaves to ABC structures. That's technically possible as well, even though this down here looks really like a 5-wave move. However, it would be easily possible to count this here as an A wave. This now is an ABC expanded flat or something, or a running flat, which is coming up now and then would come down in a C wave. And then the wave 1 would logically have to be an ABC as well. I'm sure if I go into the subwave structure, they have, we can find an interpretation how to make that work as well. But overall, yeah, the idea is, and I find that, it fits quite well into this, saying this would be an A wave, this a B wave, because the move up looks fairly corrective at the moment. And the move down is, I think, still a given. I think that will happen. Did mention to you before that in this B wave, if it's a B wave or a wave 2, that doesn't really make so much of a difference here to the upside currently. Important is that we take a look at and take a note of key Fibonacci retracements. The next one, if we break above here 7.7 cents, which is the 23.6% retracement, which I think is sort of the minimum for such a wave B. Getting above that would take us probably to 8.4 roughly, and then we've got the 8.9 cent level, but nothing of that would give us a bullish structure here. Of course, there is a bullish interpretation, I talked about that, but it's not very reliable until we really see proof here in the chart. If we zoom out a little bit and take a look at the VRVP here, historical volumes, we certainly have a cluster in this region between the 38.2% Fib level and the 50%. I mean, it already starts down here. So I would say there is a bit of a resistance area here between 8.1 and 8.8 cents, possibly all the way to the 8.9 cent level, the 50% retracement, which means that from 8.1 cents to 8.9, which is the 50% retracement, there should be quite a lot of additional, not volatility, but resistance, which could be resistance for the B wave, obviously, and would help the price to turn around into a C wave. So that's still the primary expectation to the downside. Yeah, is there a bullish scenario? Yes. I mean, even in this scenario, I would ideally see the price go at least below the last low, which was here at 6.6 cents. And then it would get into this yellow support area, which we can define a little bit more, make it a bit smaller when we get a bit closer. And this is basically sitting here between 2.2 and 5.5 cents, right? Getting down there. That would be the ideal scenario, and then move up from there. But the bullish or the immediate bullish scenario would, we would count this here as a wave 1 to the upside, then here the wave 2, and we would now have to move up. But I don't believe it without seeing proof evidence, which means I need to see a series of 5-wave impulses to the upside, 3-wave moves down. At some point I will be able to confirm that, but at the moment we're far away from that. Okay, and that's my update about Doge. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.